This is my chicken. You'll notice that she is able to follow her code that I've given her at the bottom in order to dance. I'll show you how to make your own. For starters, go to the home of Scratch Junior and select a new project with the plus sign. The first thing we'll see is Scratch the cat. He's a sprite, just like the chicken. You could code him to dance, or you can click the plus sign on the left to access your sprite library and add a new sprite. Now I've got the cat and tack. If I don't want to have my Scratch cat, I can long click and delete. So now I've got tack, who is my sprite, who's going to dance around. When I click on the picture at the top of the frame, then I can see all my different stage backgrounds. For this one, I think I'm going to go for an Arctic ice flow. And now my tack has a place to dance. Down at the bottom, you're going to notice all these blue blocks. Those are motion blocks. Depending on which blocks I choose, it'll tell tack different things to do. Right now, nothing's going to happen because I don't have the blocks connected. And I don't have a start block. For that, I'm going to need my yellow blocks. So I can have my dance start when I touch the green flag, or when I touch the character, when another character touches my character, or on a message. For this particular dance, I'm going to start it when I actually tap tack. So now, when I go and touch the tack character, tack is able to follow all the code that I've given her. I'm going to add in some extra looks features as well, and for that I'm going to need my purple blocks. I'm going to add in a grow block, which means that when we get to that part of the instruction, tack is actually going to grow. Now before I run my code again, you'll notice that tack is on a little bit of an angle right now. That's because that was the last thing I had said in my code. So I'm going to reset my code using the arrow and X up at the top beside the green flag. And now I can run my new code along with the grow block. And you'll see that tack has grown bigger. If I go into my green blocks, then I can also add in some sound effects, like a pop. You'll notice that now tack's on even more of an angle and is even bigger because I didn't reset. So I'll need to go up to the top again, reset my code, and then I can see my code from start to finish in sequence. That's the order. So that's my entire dance so far. What can you do to make a very silly dance using Scratch Junior?